Getting rid of poison ivy and other weeds on a budget can be done using a variety of effective and inexpensive methods. Here are some options. 1. Manual removal. Gloves. Wear protective gloves to avoid skin contact with poison ivy. Tools. Use a shovel or hoe to dig up the weeds, making sure to get the roots. Disposal. Place the removed weeds in a trash bag and dispose of them properly, not in compost. 2. Vinegar Solution. Ingredients. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water in a spray bottle. Application. Spray directly onto the weeds. Vinegar is an acetic acid that can kill many types of weeds, but it may require multiple applications. 3. Salt. Usage. Mix 1 cup of salt with 2 cups of water and apply it directly to the weeds. Be cautious as salt can also affect nearby plants and soil quality. Application. For larger areas, sprinkle salt directly onto the weeds. Boiling water. Boil a large pot of water and pour it over the weeds. This method is particularly effective for weeds growing in cracks and crevices. Corn gluten meal. It acts as a pre-emergent herbicide to prevent weed seeds from germinating. Apply it in early spring before weeds start growing. Mulching. Use organic mulch like wood chips, straw, or grass clippings to smother weeds and prevent new ones from growing. Apply a thick layer of mulch over the soil where weeds are present. Homemade weed killer. Combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. The vinegar and salt desiccate the weeds, while the dish soap helps the mixture stick to the foliage. Regular maintenance. Keep grassy areas well mowed to prevent weeds from establishing. Regularly check your garden and lawn for weeds and remove them promptly. Each of these methods can be effective depending on the type of weed and its location. For poison ivy, ensure that you handle the plant carefully to avoid irritation and consider using a combination of these methods for best results.